Education systems worldwide continue to evolve, integrating various pedagogical strategies to enhance learning outcomes. Among these, experiential learning has emerged as a key approach, advocating for engagement, reflection, and feedback as foundational elements. In contrast, non-experiential learning, which focuses on passivity, non-reflection, and the absence of feedback, represents a traditional, more passive approach to education. This essay aims to compare and contrast these two educational models, examining their implications on learner engagement, understanding, and development. Experiential learning thrives on active engagement, where learners participate directly in hands-on activities or real-world tasks. This engagement is not merely about doing, but is a strategic immersion into learning experiences that foster deeper understanding and skills application. For instance, students might engage in a science lab experiment not just to observe but to manipulate variables and see real-time results. Conversely, non-experiential learning is characterized by passivity. Learners are often positioned as receptacles of knowledge, where the primary mode of learning is through listening or observing without direct involvement. Traditional lecture-based teaching methods where students passively take notes without engaging with the material or each other exemplify this approach. Reflection is a cornerstone of experiential learning. It allows learners to think critically about their experiences, connecting theoretical knowledge with practical applications. Reflection transforms experiences into genuine learning by encouraging learners to analyze, synthesize, and evaluate their knowledge and experiences. This process is crucial for adapting and applying learning in varied contexts. In stark contrast, non-experiential learning often lacks opportunities for reflection. Learning in such settings tends to remain at the surface level, with learners less likely to connect the dots between the content and its broader implications. Without the reflective component, learning can become a memorization exercise devoid of deeper understanding and personal relevance. Feedback in experiential learning is vital as it provides learners with insights into their performance and areas for improvement. Effective feedback is timely and specific, often leading to immediate adjustments in learning strategies or understanding. This feedback loop supports a cyclical learning process, where each phase of learning informs and enhances the next. Alternatively, the absence of feedback defines non-experiential learning. Without feedback, learners may continue to make the same errors or remain unaware of how to advance their understanding. The lack of feedback mechanisms in traditional educational settings often leads to a one-dimensional flow of information, where the possibility for personalized learning growth and adjustment is minimal. The comparison between experiential and non-experiential learning models reveals significant differences in their educational strategies and impacts on learners. Experiential learning, with its emphasis on engagement, reflection, and feedback, fosters a dynamic and interactive learning environment that promotes deeper understanding and personal development. On the other hand, non-experiential learning's reliance on passivity, non-reflection, and the absence of feedback often results in a static and less impactful learning experience. As education continues to evolve, incorporating more interactive and reflective elements into learning environments seems crucial for preparing learners to meet the complex demands of the modern world.